Hi, Papa. Happy 70th birthday. I hope you have a great day. I wish we could be together on this day. You have no idea. I'm missing you so much and how much you mean to me. You've always been a support and a rock solid support behind me everywhere, every time. So I really, really, really appreciate you for everything you've done for me.
Papa, both the wishes from mommy as well. I'm sure she is wishing you wherever she is. Thank you for everything you've done the last couple of years. It was a very, very, very tough time. And it was just people like you, who helped us a lot. Thank you again. And I wish, we were there with you celebrating the 70th birthday, but hope we'll meet soon, again soon.
So, what's the plan today? Anyway, I thought a lot about your birthday gift. What should I do? What should I give for Papa? What is it that he likes the most? So, I came up with one word, and what strikes me the most when I think about you is people. You love people, you love being surrounded by people, you love pleasing the people. So, I thought, what should I do along that lines? So, here is a small tribute to you on your 70th birthday, which is very special, and hope you enjoy it and you can relish it for the rest of your life. Have a great day, Papa. Love you.
You'll love it, Papa. Bye.
Love you loads.
Hi Nanu, happy 70th birthday. This is a song I learned especially for your birthday. Hi Nanu, I hope you like it. Have a great day. Hope to see you in US soon.
Hi Nanu Peri Pen, I'm going to sing a song for you for your birthday. तुझे देखा तो ये जाना सनम प्यार होता ही दीवाना सनम अब यहाँ से कहाँ जाए हम तेरी बाहों में मर जाए हम
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Nanu. Happy birthday to you. Hope you have a great birthday.
Happy birthday, Mr. Nanu. Come to my house next week.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Dadu. Happy birthday to you.
Hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray! Wishing you a very happy 70th birthday, Papa. God bless you.
She wish you a very happy birthday, Dadu. Wish you a very happy birthday, Papa. God bless you.
And here's a very special wish from Myra. Say happy birthday. Happy birthday.
हमारे प्रिय जीवन जी, जिनको हम प्यार से लालू जी कहते हैं, डॉक्टर जीवन भारद्वाज, MBBS, GMS, etc., etc. You have, right? And you are entering 17? I am surprised. You look like in your 50s, Jivanji. And you need to take care of yourself. Because if you were entering 70s, then it was a big compliment. But entering at 17 years of age, you look old. Nevertheless, many, many happy returns of the day from the deepest vein of our heart, and wishes from my better half also, who had very high regards for you. The plateau of 21st century, Dr. Jeevan Bhardwaj. Entering this era of your life, you are now an ideal for the whole family who look forward towards you for solace, for advice, because every individual is fighting some battle today. So you have to now take care of the word empathy. आपको वैसे समझाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, यू नो एवरीथिंग. स्टिल कई बार मन में आया है कि आपसे पूछें, जैसे सदगुरु को सब कुछ पता है, तो आपको कैसे सब कुछ पता है जीवन जी? यू नो वर्चुअली एवरीथिंग, मेडिसन्स, एस्ट्रोनॉमी, एस्ट्रोलॉजी, एट्सेट्रा एट्सेट्रा एट्सेट्रा. बाकी जीवन जी बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है आपसे वार्तालाप करने में, और इस वीडियो में आपके दोस्त रिश्तेदारों की तरफ से जो जुगनू का आइडिया है, फंटास्टिक. जय हिंद.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Nanu. Happy birthday to you. Hip hip hooray!
जन्मदिन मुबारक हो, बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो. हाँ, मेरी आशीर्वाद तेरे को मिले, मेरी उम्र तुझे लग जाए, ये मेरी आशीर्वाद है. और रोज़ मैं रात शाम तुझे याद करती हूँ कि कब जीवन का फ़ोन आएगा और कब मैं उसको आशीर्वाद दूँगी बर्थडे की. और बाकी बच्चों को तो रोज़ याद करती हूँ, रोज़ पूछती हूँ, और बच्चे मुझे याद नहीं करते. हाँ, मेरा हैप्पी बर्थडे, आशीर्वाद मेरा है बस.
मामा जी हैप्पी बर्थडे, 17वां साल मुबारक.
हैप्पी बर्थडे
लेट्स चीयर मामा जी.
हैप्पी बर्थडे मामा जी. स्टे हैप्पी एंड स्टे सेफ. और बहुत बहुत मुबारकें. Congratulations to you.
Happy birthday to you. Many many happy turns of the day. Long life to you.
तू जियो हजारों साल, साल के दिनों 50,000. हैप्पी बर्थडे डियर जीवन. हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू. हैप्पी बर्थडे, लव यू.
की हाल चाल है? बोलो बोलो की हाल चाल है? हैप्पी बर्थडे. हेलो जीवन, हैप्पी बर्थडे.
और मामा जी कैसा फील कर रहे हो?
Being 70.
Many happy returns of the day.
और मामा जी सटियाल बतरा गए है. सत्तर बतरा गए है. हैप्पी बर्थडे मामा जी, हैप्पी बर्थडे.
हैप्पी बर्थडे.
Have fun. Enjoy
Also,
Solan.
what you are doing special in this day with Mami ji?
In Corona.
ओनली करोना.
Karipena Mama ji, happy 70th birthday. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Jivan. How are you? Hope all is well. A very, very happy birthday to you, to our mama, to our Jagat mama. Very, very happy birthday. Okay.
Very happy birthday to you, Mama ji. Enjoy the day, make the most of it, and happy birthday once again.
Hello Mama ji, happy birthday. Have a great day.
मम्मी तू तो 70 पत्तर गया यार.
That's a good innings, Mama. That's great. On a serious note, Mama, you have been a great friend all the time. We have spent at least 65 years together because you are 70 and we are 64. So we have a long association of 64 years. But I must say, Mama, you have acquitted yourself in all fields very well, with flying colors. In your job, in your acting career, in your relationships with everybody. You have the privilege of having 15 nephews and nieces. Every sister had 3 children. And I can talk from the side of everyone, that every one of us, the nephews and nieces, have been impressed by your personality in one way or the other. I have been less impressed, but the rest of them have been more impressed than me. I must admit that. But with the passage of time and many years we have been together, we have faced ups and downs, tragedies in life. You are stood like a rock solid person, and that's great about you. You have maintained your relationships with everyone in a way befitting to the relation. And I think, especially in this family of your sisters and us, you have always been a person to whom everybody looks forward to and looks at for some good advice. And you have in fact brought laurels to the family. You were a great actor in your time, and you must remember that in 2008 or 2010, when I needed an actor, I couldn't think of anybody else but you. And you actually acquitted yourself so well that all judges were asking, who's this man? I think I have shared this video with you, and it's being played everywhere. Anyway, Mama, it's been a long journey and a very satisfying journey for you and for us to be with you. And now, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Mama ji.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Mama ji.
Have a great life. बार बार दिन ये गाए, तुम जियो हजारों साल, ये मेरी है आरज़ू. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mama ji. Happy birthday to you. See you. Enjoy yourself.
Enjoy yourself, Mama ji. You're a rock star Gemini partner.
Happy birthday, Mama Ji. Have a great day and enjoy yourself.
1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mama Ji.
Happy birthday, Mama Ji. Now you are 70. More dangerous towards your auntie.
Happy birthday.
Done.
Birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Mama Ji.
Hello, Jijaji Paripana. Wish you a very, very happy birthday. God bless you with lots of happiness and stay healthy.
Jai Paripana, happy birthday to you. May God bless you, long life and happiness.
हाय जीवन, अ वेरी हैप्पी बर्थडे. 70 साल का हो रहा है, जवान रहे 17 साल की तरह. ग्रेट बॉस, मिसिंग यू गाइस. हैव अ ग्रेट डे.
Very happy birthday, Bhaiya. Have a lovely year ahead. I'm coming soon and we have to celebrate and cheers to that. Cheers to a lovely year ahead.
हैप्पी बर्थडे जीवन जी, हमारे सबसे प्यारे जिंदा दिल यारों के यार जीवन जी को अपने 70वें बर्थडे की बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो. हैप्पी बर्थडे.
मुझे तो जीवन की बहुत सारी चीज़ें जो है याद आ रही हैं. जीवन में संबंध कैसे बनाए जाते हैं, कैसे मेंटेन किए जा सकते हैं और कैसे उनको यूज़ किया जा सकता है, ये कोई जीवन जी से सीख सकता है.
वाह, वेरी गुड.
पर जीवन जी हिसाब किताब के मामले में कुछ पिसड्डी हैं. मुझे वो दिन नहीं भूलते हैं जब हम वो डिनर के लिए प्रेस क्लब में बैठे होते थे, और यदि ये साहब जीवन जी को करना पड़ जाए तो जीवन जी अपना जो नाम है डालना ही भूल जाते थे। तो फिर वो कहते थे हमेशा, और फिर कहते थे ले भाई पैसे कम हो गए पता नहीं क्या कहाँ गड़बड़ हो गई,
और फिर मानना नहीं, मान जाए तो जीवन जी नहीं,
मान जाए तो जीवन जी नहीं। शुरू में जब मैंने जीवन जी को देखता था पार्टीज के अंदर, तो जितनी उनकी कैपेसिटी थी पीने की, तो मुझे पता नहीं था, तो हमें शुरू में बहुत डर लगता था। जब वो घर जाते थे तो हमेशा डर लगा रहता था यार ये सही सलामत।
Jeevan is a good and great friend for over 40 years. I have known him since 1980 when I first time met him in HSIDC, when I joined HSIDC in 1980. He has been a great inspiration, great friend who literally enjoys every moment of life. With Jeevan, I have great memories. He has been instrumental in making me drink and visit Kasauli for more than 100 times. In fact, me and Jeevan must have gone a furlough from HSIDC more than 50-60 times during my job in HSIDC. In fact, Santosh, his wife, and my wife Simi had always been critical of our friendship and our outings to Kasauli. हाँ जी, सिम तू की कहना चाहेंगे?
जीवन एक बहुत है वधिया, he is a very good human being and very sincere for Narinder. He is a very good company. We have enjoyed a lot. We visit so many places all over India, Goa, and so many other places. He is a very fine person.
The one thing I note about Jeevan is that he was always ready to go to Kasauli or for an outing. In fact, the most thing I liked in Jeevan was he is very intelligent, very knowledgeable, very up to date in whatever is happening. Maybe it is politics, maybe it is medicine, maybe it's a general life. And I really appreciated and sought a lot of help from him in his English. Being an MA English, he had been guiding me in writing many of the things, including my father's anniversary cards and other issues. 70th birthday is on 18th of June. I wish him all the best and look forward to celebrating 75th, 80th, 85th and 100th birthday with him. Of course, I have a vested interest in it because I am also increasing my age to 105 years. Best of luck, Jeevanji, and best of luck, Jugnu and Shibu, because we have enjoyed the company of their kids. Our kids have also enjoyed their company. Jeevan, all the best. Wish you a very, very happy birthday.
सलामत रहे आपके चेहरे का नूर, जवानी रहे आप पे भरपूर, बुढ़ापा रहे आपसे कोसों दूर, आपको 70 में जन्मदिन की लख लख बधाई हो हजूर.
Age is just a number. Jeevan ji is a live example of that. Happy 70th birthday.
To really send my best wishes to you on your happy birthday day. I, along with my better half, Serena, wish you a very happy birthday and a long and cherishable time to come. Happy life and wonderful company of people to surround you all the times so that you enjoy every moment, every bit of life. I just cannot forget, this is an opportunity to recall the long association which I am having with you for the last more than 50 years, I recall, and the time me along with your family and everybody we have spent together is a memorable one, and the trips which on different locations we have had together are indeed a great cherishable memory for you as well and for me as well. Once again, wishing you a very happy birthday, my dear. Jai Bharat. And साथी ने गगन से तुम्हारे लिए ये पैगाम भेजा है, हमने भी किस्मत का एक भरा हुआ जाम भेजा है। ऐ मेरे दोस्त, तुम सदा मुस्कुराते रहो, यही हमने सूरज से तुम्हारे इस मुबारक दिन के लिए पैगाम भेजा है। जियो मेरे लाल, जियो। Cheers.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Mamu. Happy birthday to you.
बहुत बहुत हैप्पी बर्थडे जीवन, many more. Bye.
मामू, तेरे लिए 2 शेर हाजिर हैं। कहता देखी जो नब्ज मेरी तो हंसकर बोले वो हकीम। देखी जो नब्ज मेरी तो हंसकर बोले वो हकीम, जा जमाले महफिल पुराने दोस्तों के साथ। तेरे हर मर्ज की दवा है वो, तेरे हर मर्ज की दवा है वो, जा जमाले महफिल पुराने दोस्तों के साथ। दोस्तों से रिश्ता रखा करो जनाब, दोस्तों से रिश्ता रखा करो जनाब। ये वो हकीम है जो अल्फाजों से, ये वो हकीम हैं जो अल्फाजों से हर मर्ज की इलाज कर देते हैं। खींच कर उतार देते हैं उम्र की चादर, खींच कर उतार देते हैं मुंह की चादर, उम्र की चादर, कभी बूढ़ा होने नहीं देते। मामू तू जिन्ना मर्जी हो जा, जिन्नियां मर्जियां गल्लां कर लिया कर मैच्योरिटी दियां, लेकिन यारां नूं तां असलीयत पता ही हैगा ना। मैनू याद आ गए ने भैन च पलानी दे दिन कि भैन च मुंडियां नूं रोटी खवाउण लई पैसे दित्ते सी ते तू रोटी नहीं सी खवाई, जुए दे विच भैन च 3 पत्ती च पैसे हार गया सी। मामू बड़े दिन आंदे ने यार, याद हो, पैसे पूसे नहीं सी हुंदे पर दिन बड़े वधिया हुंदे सीगे। क्यों ला कर ला फिर। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू। ओके, बाय बाय।
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you. May God bless you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to dear जीवन जी. Happy birthday.
हाँ जी भाई साहब, क्या हाल चाल? बहुत बहुत बधाइयाँ थानू महाराज, 17वां जन्मदिन मना रहे हो। हाँ जी, परमात्मा थानू 100 साल की उम्र बख्शे।
Hi. Happy 70th birthday to the most wonderful person we know. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Hi Jivan, this is your day, and on your day, we both wish you a very happy birthday. We remember we have spent a good time together, and we celebrated our birthday about 3 years ago at Solan together. We still cherish those memories. Have a wonderful day. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
You know, some people call us 3 musketeers and some call us 3 successful. trio and some three idiots. But we are the pillars of true bonding since 1975. All your good wishes, all my good wishes to my darling friend on 18th June of 2020. Goodbye.
Hi, Papa. I hope you enjoyed it. At least it made me very emotional looking at all these videos and how much people love you and appreciate you. I didn't even have to ask them second time to send me a birthday message for you. They were all so eager to send you messages. So thank you everybody who helped me making this video and making my dad's day so special for him. I really appreciate each one of you. Have a great day, Papa. I love you. Hope you enjoy and hope you have a great day. See you soon.